Diksha. I am peacock. I am national bird of India. I has long blue neck and chest on my head. I has small eyes and beautiful.
My name is Gautami. I am studying 7th standard. I am buffalo. Buffalo is a black color. I have 4 legs. I am state animal in Chhattisgarh. I am eating in grass.
My name is Sinchana. I am a fox. Fox have 4 legs and 2 eyes. I am a omnivore animal and good hunter. I am a relating dogs but acts like cats.
My name is Vijayakshmi. I am tiger. I am national animal of India. I am carnivorous. I have very sharp teeth and nails. I belong cat family. I run very fast.
My name is Harshita. I am squirrel. I am beautiful and little creature. I am very small animal. I has very small eyes, but see very well. I has colors like black, brown and grey. I am omnivorous.
My name is Purnaki. I am cheetah. I am largest animal of cat species. I run speed at 100 to 120 km per hour. I can climb the trees. I cannot bend my claws. My favorite food is deer.
Hi, my name is Preksha. I am elephant. I am strongest and largest animal on the earth. I am herbivorous animal. I feed on leaves, plants and others, mostly found in Africa and Asia. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Saujanya. I am a lion. I am a king of forest. I am a strong wild animal. I belong to the family of cats. I have 2 eyes, 2 ears, 4 legs and a tail. My teeth and claws are very sharp. I eat flesh.
I am Kritika. I am a giraffe. I have a long neck and neck. I eat grass, leaves and fruits. My skin color is light brown color. Thank you for listening.
I am a beautiful bird. I has a green feather. I covered in a red beak. My eyes are round, black and shiny. My claws are very sharp and strong. I am very intelligent. Thank you for listening. I am a rabbit. I am a small animal. I am white in color. My eyes are small and bright. My mouth is long. It moves very fast. I am very active and I like carrots.
Save forest, save animals.